Gentlemen, welcome to the seminar on mechanization. Check. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the seminar on role of mechanization in construction industry. I would request all the delegates to kindly settle down. We are about to begin the seminar. I would like to call upon Mr. Sunil Jukti for the welcome speech.
Good evening, distinguished guests, dignitaries, and ladies and gentlemen. It gives me immense pleasure to extend you all a warm welcome on behalf of Universal Construction Machinery and Acme Concrete Mixers Private Limited. Just to brief you on today's agenda, the role on mechanization of construction industry, Mr. M.A. Khan, Director, Acme Concrete Mixers, is going to throw light on the same. Afterwards, we are going to play some videos related to our products. And my colleague, Mr. Sunil Bhamre, VP Sales and Marketing all over India, is going to present on heavy engineering concrete products. And last but not the least, our Honorable MD Sir, Mr. Ranjit More, is going to give some keynotes on the present scenario and universal progress happening as of now. So please be relaxed and enjoy the event. Now I will show you our corporate film.
स्वामी आ रहा ना
I don't know.
सब आ रहा पुन्हा निघाला
Now I would like to introduce Universal and Acme team who are working for AP and Telangana region. I would like to call upon Mr. Ranjit More, Vice President and MD of Universal Construction Missionary, with the round of applause. I would also like to call upon Mr. Sunil Bhamre, Vice President RMC Group. I would also like to call upon Mr. Sunil Jukti, Vice President Concrete Group, with a round of applause. I would also like to call upon Mr. Rishikesh Kulkarni, DGM RMC Group, and also Mr. Santaji Gorphare. I would like to call upon Mr. Yogender Ramde, Regional Head, Central Region. Now I would like to call upon Mr. Sanjay Kumar, State Manager, AP and Telangana. Now I would like to call upon Universal Service Team, Mr. Venkatesh. Now I would like to call upon Acme staff team, Mr. M.A. Khan, with a round of applause, of course. Mr. A.Q. Inamdar and Mr. George Matthew, Director Acme Concrete Mixtures, Hyderabad. Now I'd like to call upon Acme Concrete Mixtures, Hyderabad sales team, Mr. Taj, Mr. Fareed, and Mr. Bashir Ahmad. Now I would like to call upon Acme Concrete Vijayawada sales team, Mr. Salim Ali, with a round of applause, please. Now I would like to call upon Acme Concrete Mixture Vishakhapatnam sales team, Mr. Venkateshwara Rao. Now I would like to call upon service team of Acme Concrete Mixtures led by Mr. Rajesh. I request the team to join.
Good evening. Actually, we have introduced Universal team and Acme team. Just show you what infrastructure we are having, what manpower we are having to support you in sales and after sales services. We are covering all Telangana AP. We are into Hyderabad, Vijayawada, and Vizag. All the team is present with our spares availability and after sales people are already there to support you promptly. So this is just team we would like to showcase you. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Now we are going to have a presentation by Mr. M.A. Khan on the role of mechanization in the construction industry. So please come on the dais.
Good evening to all. It's my privilege to address all of you, and I extend very warm welcome to the seminar on the role of mechanization in construction industry. Before we could take our presentation, I would like to play our SBO2 product CD. This graph, which is being shown here, this gives the quantity of machines in comparing China, America, and India. There are about 396 machines per million capita in America, whereas in China it is 96 machines per million capita, and we are lagging behind. We have only 13 machines per million capita. So you can realize we have to go a very long, long way. what is the role of mechanization in construction industry? If you compare construction industry with any other industry, such as paper industry, textile industry, automobile industry, or cement industry, all the industries are well equipped and well mechanized. But whereas the case is reverse in construction, we have very few machines and we are engaging lot of labors and manpower. But today, the scenario is changing. We have to mechanize our construction activity because of various reasons, such as speed. If you see all the projects which are coming nowadays, they are coming in very high volume and the quantum of work got increased. So if we have to complete all mega projects, we need speed. If we don't have speed, we cannot complete on time. Then next come to quality. If we are constructing with conventional methods, then quality we cannot deliver to our ultimate clients. And many clients are very much insisting on quality products. So quality can be achieved if we go for mechanization. Productivity and economy. This also relates to the mechanization. If we have sufficient infrastructure, then we can increase our productivity and we can increase our economy. In the last, we have safety. It becomes our responsibility to offer safe environment to the workers on construction sites because they are not available. What are the infrastructures available for safe working of the construction? In this slide you are watching, the people are engaged for lifting the raw material to the various floors of the building. But if we have suitable lifting, material lifting machine, we can get speed and we can minimize the labor. So we should have suitable material handling hoist on the construction sites. Quality, which is the main criteria, which we cannot achieve by conventional mixers, because the conventional mixers are being used without any weighing system and without any water feeding system. So if we use advanced concrete batching machines, which is well equipped with automatic weighing system and automatic water feeding system, this gives better quality of the concrete so that we can satisfy our customers and we can increase the quality of the structures being built. Expenditure versus investment. If we are employing number of workers at site, once construction site is completed, if we are going for next project, again we have to employ same workers, thereby we will be doing our expenditure again and again. Whereas if we mechanize our activities, then it becomes an investment to our company. So if we have various machines wherever possible, we have to go for mechanization, thereby we can utilize the manpower also suitably as well as we can utilize the machinery. Thereby we can increase our productivity and economy. Wherever possible, we have to see that we should provide a safe working environment. Like the people are going on the scaffolding, instead of that, we can go for advanced material handling systems, man and material handling systems such as hanging platform, working platform, and passenger car material lift. Let's take a look what Universal Construction Machinery is offering for making it mechanized. Universal has various machines under one roof. For example, concreting solutions. In concreting solutions, we have concrete mixers of 1 bag capacity. Then we have got reversible drum mixers, which gives a better quality than conventional mixers. Reversible mixers has got electronic weighing system and water feeding system. So we can do the weighing of raw material, and water also, exact amount of water can be delivered into the mixing drum. Thereafter, we have got stationary batching plants where the projects need the equipment should be there at one place. We should have stationary batching plants. Thereafter, if the project requires the machines to be mobile, then we have mobile batching plants. Again, we have developed trailer mounted batching plant, which is most successfully running wherever we have supplied. Then next category comes to material handling solutions. In material handling, it is further subdivided into horizontal material handling and vertical material handling. In horizontal material handling, we have tough riders, slab trolley, wheelbarrows. And vertical material handling, we have tower cranes, tower hoist, multi-go hoist, seesaw lift, and mini lift. Further, this is we have one more passenger come material lift, and we have got hanging platforms and works platform. Apart from that, we have other mechanization solutions such as earth compactors, rebar solutions such as bar cutting, bar bending machines, and thereafter we have got sand purifying solutions. We can do the sand screening as ever we want, whatever we want, and we have got sand washing machine also. Thereafter, we have got block making machines. In sand screening machines, generally we see manual sand screening is going on. Instead of that, we have got sand screening machines vibratory type. In this, we can supply machines with 4 cubic meter capacity per hour, 6 cubic meter per hour, and we can also supply higher capacity plants of 15 cubic meter per hour and 30 cubic meter per hour. These are the machines where vibratory machine is there, as well as we have got portable sand washing machine. Earth compacting solutions. People do the ramming manually, so thereby ramming cannot be done. It depends upon the person's strength, how he is compacting. Instead of that, we can go for earth rammers or earth compactors, so the better compaction can be done. And these machines are available in diesel version as well as electrical version. The capacity of the machine is 5 tons, and the impact load we get 2 tons. We have block making machines. In block making machines, we provide solutions at site itself so that the customers can make the blocks at the site, thereby avoiding the transportation of blocks, as well as they can minimize the damages of the blocks. And with this machine, we can make blocks of 1,000 numbers per day up to 3,000 numbers per day. Thereafter, we have got bar processing machines, such as bar cutting machine and bar bending machine. In bar cutting and bending machines, we have 36 dia also, as well as we have got 42 raw dia that can be cut and bent as whatever way we want. Normally on construction sites, we see the people are handling the loads and lot of labors being engaged, so that thereby we will be wasting our time, as well as there will be breakages of the costly raw material. So instead of that, we can have wheelbarrows, slab trolley, or tough rider. In tough rider, which is a very good utility machine on the construction sites, so people who are using the tough rider, they know the importance of this machine. So we recommend these machines on the sites where lateral shifting of raw material is required. In this machine, we have got capacities of 2 ton as well as 2.5 ton. And the bucket carrying capacity is zero point 0.6 cubic meter and 0.75 cubic meter. This machine runs on Mahindra diesel engine, and it is a 4x4 wheel drive, and it is very much suitable for shifting concrete and various raw material within the site itself. This tough rider is most suitable for doing the concreting in footings as well as very compact areas where you feel the transit mixers cannot go. So this tough rider will be very much helpful. Now comes to the vertical material handling. In vertical metal handling, normally people are going by stairs and we are losing lot of labor charges and costly raw material will get spoiled by damaging. So we can minimize the damages and we can increase our productivity with the help of using mini lift. This mini lift are available in two capacities. One is 200 kg and next model is 500 kg. And these lifts are available up to 30-meter lifting height. Another product in material handling, we have got builder's hoist, or normally people say it as builder tower hoist. In this machine, we can shift concrete while laying the slab, as well as once the slab work is over, we can shift various building materials such as bricks or concrete blocks or cement bags and various other building materials such as glasses, plywood, tiles, whatever item we want, we can shift to the required floor of the building. And in this machine, the capacities are available 500 kg and 1000 kg. And the vertical height can go up to 100 meters depending upon the building size. The cost of machine starts from 3 lakhs and the return on investment is very fast. Say example, if you are using at any building, minimum 6 labors you can save per day, and thereby you will be giving approximately 3,000 rupees, and in 100 days you can get back the entire investment whatever you have done on this machine. For handling men and material at high-rise buildings, we have got passenger cum material lift, and we have got works platform, and thereafter for cleaning glasses, painting, brickworks, we have got hanging platforms. Various capacities are available such as 1 ton, 1.5 ton, and 2 ton. In this passenger cum material lift, even we have twin cage material handling cabins so that we can shift material also, we can shift men also. Now let's take a look on concrete mixing solutions. Universal has developed GenX model, which is very much accepted by many customers who are quality conscious. Why? Because this machine comes with electronic weighing system inbuilt. We need not use separate weigh batcher. In the hopper itself, we can weigh the raw material such as sand and metal. And also it is supplied with water feeding system. We can measure the exact amount of water so we can mix as per our design mix. After 10x7 concrete mixers, we have reversible drum mixers. Reversible drum mixers are very much accepted in India, and Universal is supplying throughout India, and a lot of population is there so far. In these machines, we have developed RM300. RM300 model stands for 300 liter of the hopper capacity. And after mixing, we can get output of 0.2 cubic meter per batch. This machine also has got 2-bin electronic weighing system and water feeding system. Thereafter, we have got RM800, which is very much popular among all construction companies. This machine also have same facilities like automatic water feeding system, and it gives exact about 6 to 7 cubic meter per hour. And thereafter we have got RM1050, which we can mix 0.75 cubic meter concrete per batch. And thereafter we have got a very big machine RM1400, which can mix up to 0.9 cubic meter per batch. From the last 7 consecutive years, Universal RM800 stands number one in the market, and we have got the highest population in India. More than 10,000 machines we have supplied, which is working not only India, in other countries. The following are the unique features of Universal RM800. The only RM800 reversible mixer which is approved by Weights and Measure Department, because many suppliers you will find who are supplying RM800 type machines, but they don't have any approval for weights and measures. So our machines are approved by Legal Metrology Department. Our machine is also approved by ARAI for weighment of input raw material. The mixing drum of this machine is made out of a special anti-wear material ST52, and it is a corrosion-free material which increases the life of the machine, and we can mix up to 80 metals. It is also available with automatic water feeding system, and if we have got add mixers such as super plasticizer or retarders, also we can provide the machine with add mixer dosing system. We also have one more facility in this machine, that is batch printing machine with USB port. So we can do the concrete whole day, and after completing the work, we can take all the data in our pen drive and we can take printout in our office. So this system, we only have this machine. Now we have got most economical batching plant which we are offering to our customers. This is the plant we have, which we are supplying successfully, and it is working very well, which I think most of you have just seen outside, which we have kept for the display. This machine is supplied with RM800, and backside you are watching, there is a conveyor system. In this conveyor, there are the 3 hoppers are there. So we can load sand, metal 1 and metal 2. The capacities are available in this machine is 12 cubic meter per hour, 15 cubic meter per hour, and 20 cubic meter per hour. The plant is having very unique features, and it is very cost effective. It is very compact, it fits in lesser spaces. Many customers don't want to purchase batching plant because they feel it is a very heavy and occupies a lot of space. So we have made it, very small, and any small site also can accommodate this type of batching plant. And it is very easy to operate, even for new operators. We can just give a 2 days training, so any new operator also can operate this type of plants. And one more feature we have, that we don't require any foundation for this machine. Whenever we want, we can shift this machine, this plant, wherever you require the exact place where you require the concrete, there we can shift the machines and do the concrete. And this machine can be attached with concrete pump, so that directly we can pump the concrete to the desired heights. In this machine, we have kept cement loading as an optional. Why? Because many customers feel why the cement should be weighed, because it comes in a 50 kg cement bag, so we don't want cement feeding system. So we just keep it to the customers to go for automatic loading of cement conveyor, or without that also customers can purchase. In this machine, Loading can be done with the help of tractor loader or backhoe loader. And the cost of the plant is just 12 lakhs. In this slide, you are watching the concrete is being directly unloaded into the concrete pump. And JCB loader can load the raw material, thereby we are avoiding huge labors. Small clip, please have a look. The conveyors are delivering the material into the raw material. The benefits of this eco model plant. Quality. Concrete quality can be mixed as per your design mix. Because we are purchasing from RMC, we don't know what is the grade of cement they are purchasing or what are the sand and other material they are using. So quality is in our hand, at your side, we can get the desired quality. And it requires minimum labor, as minimum as only 3 labors required for loading the cement. We can get fresh concrete at any time we can make at the site. We need not be dependent on RMC suppliers because it is a very small plant, can be accommodated in any site, so we need not call RMC suppliers. While purchasing RMC, they supply in huge quantity and we will be wasting our concrete also. So if we make this concrete with the help of these plants, we can make exact amount of concrete and we can minimize the wastages. Let's see a brief look on production and saving capacity of this machine. The machine can mix up to 12 cubic meter per hour. And if we consider 8 hours working, we can make 96 cubic meter per day concrete. If we consider efficiency of 80%, it makes up to 76.8 cubic meter per day. And if we are calculating just 20 days in a month, then we will be making 1,536 cubic meter per month. And the plant life, it is though 5 years, but I am just calculating for 24 months. In 24 months, we will be producing approximately 36 cubic meter, 864 cubic meter. And same concrete, if you are buying from RMC, you will be paying approximately 3,000 rupees per cubic meter into 36,864. You will be giving an amount of 11 crore 5 lakhs and 92,000. Just if you calculate VAT amount at the rate 14.5%, you will be paying around 1 crore 60 lakhs 35,840 rupees. I feel there is a huge amount which we can save by going for this type of machines. With 1 crore 60 lakhs just in 24 months, it is a very big saving, and we can even purchase various other products such as concrete pumps or loaders from the same amount, and still we will be left out with a lot of payment. This is the just beginning, and I thank you all the people for listening me. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Khan, for your valuable presentation on mechanization for the mechanization in construction company. Now, I would like to call upon Mr. Sunil Bhambre for his presentation on concrete batching plants with a round of applause.
Very good evening to one and all. Myself, Sunil Bhamre. I'm looking after sales and marketing. I would like to give you a small brief about our company, infrastructure, and our some of high value products. I would like to mention our strength points. We are having 40 plus associate office all over India. We are exporting to 40 plus countries. We are associated with Tata International Limited. They are taking care of export market. We are having 3 plants, one at Shivre, one in Satara, and third one in Rudapur. It comes in Uttarakhand. We are having a largest portfolio of 50 plus products. We are having R&D facility approved by Government of India. We are having robotics facility for total fabrication of our products. We are having training center which is approved by CIDC. This is our Shivre manufacturing facility, which has got mega project status by Government of Maharashtra. This plant is having robotic facility. We are having CIDC training center. We are having construction park over here to give awareness to our customers, as well as some training institute. These students are coming here to get awareness about the construction equipments available in the market. And we have research R&D facility available in this plant. This is our Shindewadi plant, which is the largest manufacturing facility of Universal. And in this facility, in this plant, we are manufacturing majorly vertical equipments. This is our Rudapur plant. It's 250 kilometers from Delhi, and it's strategically located to cater north and east part. Whatever products are, we are dispatching to north and east. We are dispatching from Rudapur plant, and from Pune and Satara, we are supplying to west and south. This is robotic manufacturing we are doing in our plant to produce quality product and for accuracy. This is research and development recognized by Government of India. We are having a largest sales and service network. We are having 8 regional offices and 40 plus associates all over India. Nowadays, most of the clients are having multi-location sites. So it's very much required that after sales service and spare part availability should be available at each and corner of India. So Universal has already having that infrastructure available all over India, and most of the corporates are preferring Universal for this purpose. And like Shabuji, Palanji, L&T, all people are very much satisfied with this, and this is due to this strength point we are going ahead. This is our international sensor service network. We are expanding to 40 plus countries, and product distributed to export market by Tata International Limited. In some countries we are directly exporting, and in some countries Tata International Limited is taking care of that exports. We are having 24/7 after-sales services, and we are extending that through our regional offices and associates. All our machine spares are stocked at our associate offices, and this after-sales service department is equipped with 100 plus engineers and technicians all over India. We are having operator training center. We call most of the customer, we are asking them to send their operators to train them to our training center. Also, we are training to IT operators, and after getting educated, we are supplying to our customers. I would like to give you a small brief about batching plant range. We are having range of batching plant from 18 cubic meter to 120 cubic meter per hour. With having that, we are having a different model like inline feeding system, cross bin type feeding system, mobile type batching plant, rover type batching plant which are mounted on trailer, and boom scraper type batching plant. We are having different mixers available like pan type mixers, twin shaft mixers, reversible drum mixers, and planetary type mixers. And we offer depending upon your application. We are having different type of feeding system like inline feeding system, crossbin type feeding system, Unismart type feeding system, rover type feeding system, and DX type mobile type feeding system. I would like to mention tools and testing facility used for testing of batching plant during manufacturing. In pan mixer, we are using cell hard plate, which wear and tear resistance of that wear plate is checked by NABL approved lab. Mixing arms are made of A-net material, that also hardness we are checking by NABL approved lab. Shovels and scraper are of knee-hard casting, that also hardness we are checking by NABL approved lab. Belt conveyor rubber component, we are testing hardness test by Shore hardness tester. For leakage test, we are checking by hydraulic testing pressure pump. RPM, we are checking for RPM meter to match the cycle time of the batching plant. Gearbox temperature is measured by temperature sensor meter. Hopper vibrations are checked by vibrometer. Pan mixer sound level checked by sound meter. All motor and pump require standard current checked by multimeters. Primer painting and final painting thickness checked by DFT meter, and we are maintaining the standard. USB, I would like to tell you about USP of universal batching plant. Universal batching plant are faster erection and commissioning. We are giving assembled feeding system, no need of making erection at site. We are also giving factory fitted assembly for cement weighing system and water and chemical dosing system. And we are giving a simple plug and play arrangement for faster commissioning. We are giving independent weighing system for more accuracy. We are giving separate weighing system for aggregate. We are giving separate weighing system for cement, for water, and for chemical dosing system. In our batching plant, we are giving more storage capacity for raw material, and so less area required for movement of loader at site. We are giving 8 adjustable pin type screw jack for proper leveling and taking the proper load of the raw material. We have mounted pan mixer in such a way that we can take the delivery of concrete in the concrete pump easily, so no need of pit required for the particular concrete pump. We have developed flexible and modular design where discharge height can be adjusted for concrete pump or transit mixer. I will show you capacity-wise mixers and feeding system. This pan type concrete mixers we have launched of the capacity of 12 cubic meter per hour with 3-bin wing system, with auto water and chemical dosing system, and also we can take printout of each and every cycle. This model has got very much popular all over India. We got a good response for this. We are having different capacity batching plants in reversible type starting from 12 cubic meter to 20 cubic meter per hour. This is with universal type Unismart feeding system, with screw cement weighing system with control cabin and manual, semi-automatic and fully batching plant. We have supplied this type of batching plant near about 1,000 plus to all over India. There are some photographs of railway bridge work. Some plants are working in real estate and industrial steel plants. In reversal mixer, this is a mobile type model. The total system is mounted on a single chassis, and the capacity we have developed for 18 and 25 cubic meter per hour, where no foundation required, only level surface will required, very low erection and commissioning time. These are the photographs, first plant working, MES work, and this type of batching plant very much demanded in irrigation work, because in irrigation we have to use 80 mm aggregate size, and these plants are suitable for 80 mm aggregate. So majorly in irrigation and that part, people are preferring this type of batching plants. This is a pan type, mobile type batching plant. That also total system mounted on the single chassis, so space required is very less. These batching plants come in 22 cubic meter per hour, 25 and 30 cubic meter per hour. This model is also got very much popular, and we have supplied 400 plus machines in the market. This is some photographs from real estate, from industrial projects, from PWD work. This is a cross-bin type batching plant where we can take concrete in transit mixers. From capacity, it comes in 22 cubic meter, 30, 45 and 60 cubic meter per hour. It is also a very compact type batching plant. This is a real estate site of Hyderabad, Pavlomi site. Clients are using for canal lining work and industrial projects. This is a stationary type batching plants ranging from 30 cubic meter per hour to 120 cubic meter per hour. This comes in inline feeding system with skip arrangement. Also up to 60 cubic meter per hour, we have started giving belt conveyor type. These are some photographs of real estate where total cement plus total 4 silos are being used in Mumbai. This type of batching plant are used in road projects, and RNC people, they are using such batching plants. This is a rover type batching plant, comes in 30 cubic meter per hour, 45 and 60 cubic meter per hour. Those clients who required frequent shifting of this batching plant, they are preferring this rover type batching plant. This plant is totally mounted on the trailer. Mainly these plants are used in canal work, road project, and mainly in windmill projects. I would like to mention that in windmill projects, we are having 90% market share for this type of road type batching plant. Only in Anandpur area, if you see, 30 to 40 batching plants are working in 45 and 60 cubic meter per hour of such type of batching plant. With all this feeding system, with all these mixers availability and control panel options available, we can design our own batching plant with having a mixture of that. So depending our capacity required and application, we can design our own batching plant with the available feeding system, mixers and panels. We are doing this, we are supplying so many plants. So what is our local infrastructure? Just I would like to tell you that. We have been associated with ACME in Telangana, AP since 1999. We are having own office, our branch office at Banjara Hills. We are having, ACME is having their HO at Hyderabad and branch office in Vizag and Vijayawada for giving total sales and after sales service to Telangana and AP. You have already seen the manpower they are having for giving prompt services. We are having a showroom at Raniganj where we have displayed small equipments like 10x7 mixer, bar cutting, bending, sand skidding, earth compactors. ACME is having well-equipped workshop for in-house repairing and refurnishing of machines. We are having local space availability and trained sales service team at Hyderabad, Vizag and Vijayawada. We are having a golden facility at Mitchell Industrial Area and we are stocking reversal mixers, bar cutting and bending machines, mini lifts and earth compactors. I would like to mention some of our clients from Telangana and Andhra Pradesh for mainly batching plants. IVRCL Projects Limited, BCNA Company Limited, Mega Engineering and Infrastructure Limited, KR Construction, C Kirti Projects, Tracks and Towers Private Limited, Paulami Infra, PR Infra, Ramki Infrastructure Limited, Tata Project Limited, Greenco Energy Projects Private Limited, KMEV Projects Limited, KCP Projects and many more. Again, I would like to give a big thank for supporting us in Telangana and AP and look forward to the same support in future. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Mr. Sunil Bhamre, for your presentation. Dear valuable delegates, we would like to inform you that Universal Construction Machinery has conducted its annual function and has announced Best Associate Awards to ACME Concrete Mixtures Hyderabad for their overall performances in best sales and high level of customer satisfaction. I would like to call upon Mr. Ranjit More, Vice Chairman and MD of Construction Machinery, to give away the award to Mr. Khan, Mr. Inamdar, and Mr. George. I request the delegates to welcome the awardees with a round of applause. We have Mr. Sugnakar Rao, Telangana State Chairman, and Mr. P. Narsimha Rao, who are going to give away the award to Mr. Khan, to Mr. Inamdan, and Mr. George Matthew. Thank you so much, sir, for joining us. Can we have a round of applause for the awardees, please? Thank you. Thank you so much, sir. Ranjit More for his speech. Mr. Ranjit Moore will be continuing with his speech. Thank you.
Good evening, everybody. So it's my pleasure to be over here in Hyderabad, the city which I like very much. And again, after almost 3 years of slowdown in this area, I am seeing a big push which has been there happening in Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. And I feel that next 1 decade at least, both these states are going to develop in a very big way. So first of all, I would like to mention a different thing over here. I belong to BI, Builder Association of India, and here we have got Mr. Rao, the Telangana chairman. I would like to welcome him on behalf of Universal, and Mr. Narasimha Rao, the center chairman, Mr. Srinivas Rao, treasurer, Bhupendra Singh, GC member over here. First of all, a big round of applause to Mr. Rao over here as a chairman, because in BI, he has added almost 200 more pattern member in this year, which is one of the highest over here. And Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, these two regions are very, very prominent in terms of government interaction and solving the problem of the industry. Mr. Sinaya, who was the president, and I was fortunate that I was the vice president of Builder Association when he was the president, and I have worked very closely with him. So it gave a lot of pleasure for me to really go into the various officials and get the work done. And in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, both these states, the BI has been very effective in doing their work with and solving the contractor's problem. It has been almost 18 years of association with our associates over here, and I'm really very proud of it. I'm really very proud of the entire ACME team, which is headed by Mr. Khan, Mr. Inamdar, and Joseph Boye Matthew. So they are doing a fantastic job in the industry, and just to demonstrate, we are having a very good stream for the Andhra Pradesh as well as Telangana to take care of the development. Friends, I would like to mention that, we have very, very good customers over here who has been teaching us that, because, finally at the end of the day, what we are doing is means we are providing a solution to the customer which is required on site. We are trying to do that. And we will continue to do that in the coming future, because customer is the important point of our business. Here we have list of customers, and we have a very good population. Our 2,500 RMs are working in this area. We have got batching plants, more than 75 batching plants working in this area. And I'm really very thankful to many of our customers over here, all of you who have been encouraging us, and many like Mr. Keshav Reddy, who has encouraged us to do a batching plant which is on wheel for windmill industry. And again, after doing that, we are having a very major market share of almost 90% in windmill industry. And I'm really thankful to him for that. Then we have got customers like KMV Projects or Mega, who are using more than 50 or 70 machines of Universal, and given us opportunity to serve them. We have got many other customers. In fact, Hyderabad is the place where the construction industry begins, actually, because all throughout the country, wherever you go for road projects, wherever you go for any irrigation projects, it's contractor working from Hyderabad. And we cannot miss over here the inputs given by our leaders. Mr. Sinaya has been a very, very close guide to us, because on his recommendation and on his suggestions, we have been able to develop many products in Universal. Friends, Universal, I will just introduce because it's known as a construction equipment manufacturer. We have got almost 6 different companies in Universal construction equipment, like Universal Constore, Universal Axis, Universal International Business. So almost 6 different companies in Universal, which are serving domestic as well as the international market. Apart from that, we are having our own construction division, which does majorly real estate and commercial development, which we are doing almost 1,000 apartments every year, and almost 1,000 crores worth of projects are there in our hand right now. So that's one side of Universal doing real estate and the commercial development. We have other company called as Sky Elevators, which is doing elevators. So it's majorly from the west side. We are only based in west side for that. So Universal is a group of company doing various activities, predominantly into construction. I will just take back my story because here Mr. Ajay Chitnis is sitting, who has seen Universal growing. He is a very dear friend of mine, and he has seen, and we have very closely worked together when he was there in Mumbai on various projects. Friends, I'm really thankful basically to our country first, because India as a country has given us an opportunity to grow. We were a small company. From there we became a medium-sized company. Then from there we became a large-sized company. Today we are a mega project. So this transformation has happened in past not too many years, but only 10 years. So, and that credit goes to our country, where the country has given us the opportunity to grow. Yeah, it was a bad phase of almost 2 to 3 years for the industry, but I think the industry is back on track, because whenever we interact with the policymakers, let us take the country, we are having a huge project coming up for the national highway. We are having a huge project coming up with powers, airports, and so on and so forth. So even if we see national highways, we were doing almost 2 kilometers per day till last 1 year, and now we have geared up to 22 kilometers per day in this last month. So that's very big encouraging factor, that from 2 kilometers to 22 kilometers. Earlier, we went to up to 24 kilometers per day, but it came down, and now we are back on track at 22 kilometers. And the vision of our Honorable Minister, Mr. Nitin Gadkari, is to take it to 42 kilometers. So just imagine if we transform from 22 kilometers to 42 kilometers, what will be the speed required? How many contracts will be really required? Because we are the people who are going to work on these projects finally. So there is a requirement of lot many contractors in the industry. And with our presentation, we believe at Universal that the customer should be benefited, and we should add value to the job of the customer. So our important focus point is, how can we provide a solution to a customer at the best economical cost? And friends, ready to tell you, we are fairly successful in doing that, because earlier these RMs and other projects used to be imported. I used to go in 1998 in Bauma exhibition and saw that there are so many other companies doing these products, and then people are importing. And it used to really, I used to think we should start these things to be produced in India, so that our contractors will be benefited, and as a country, we should not lose upon the foreign currency, because in imports we do lose the foreign currency to the other countries. The major players were coming from Italy, Germany, UK. These were the major player. So I visited them, studied the machine, and we designed a machine better than those. And now, what is the situation today? That the entire import is stopped in the industry. I really feel very proud to tell you that this industry used to do 90% of this import. Now it is totally stopped. And I'm further proud to tell you that in the past 7 years, we are able to export. So now we are gaining foreign currency. So that gives me a lot of pleasure, being an Indian. It gives me a lot of pleasure that we are stopping something and then we are gaining something from the foreign nations, and we are able to export. Okay. Last year, we exported to 40 countries. Now, that is not sufficient, because there are many countries in the world, and we should go, and there are many countries which require kind of solution what we do. So what we have decided now, 2017 to 2022, Universal will be focusing on the international business, and the first step of it, we have started our own office in Dubai. So 2017 we will be there in Dubai, 2018 we will be setting up in Africa, then into Asia Pacific, then to South America. So we have decided if we have a strong product line, we can definitely go into the international market. When we compare our product with the companies who are presently doing the same products in the international market, friends, let me tell you that we are no less than any international company, including the developed country. In fact, we are better on technology side because of our contractors who taught us, because our contractors teach us that it should be simple, machine should be simple, machine should be user friendly, कोई भी आदमी काम करना चाहिए उसके ऊपर. Based upon their suggestions, we developed something which is very simple. It may be technologically difficult for us to adapt, but when we really look at the machine, a digital scale, it will point out the weight into this thing. It's very easy to understand. Okay, then just to set 500 kg and we will get 500 kg. So a operator should be very conveniently understanding the technology. Okay, we were able to build that. So technologically, we have something which is made simple and user-friendly, and which is working out very well in the international market. Secondly, we need to produce quality. There is no compromise on quality. And for that reason, we have engaged all CNC machines or robotics in our factory, because repeated quality can be only produced if we use automation. We believe in automation. Presently, Universal has almost close to 2,000 workforce in the group companies all over throughout India. And what we have done is engage the robotics, so that is going to get a repeated quality. We have invested a lot in these mega projects, one in Maharashtra and second in Uttarakhand. Both these are the mega projects, and we are able to serve the Indian market well. And from there, we are also exporting to the various regions. Now, the last point I would like to share that because that's one point which I really highlight always, that Universal believes that whatever will be the cost saving to the contractors, whatever will be user friendly to the contractor, whatever will be very easy for maintenance to the contractor, should also get a value after selling the machine. So, we have got a cell which is buyback. So after using, we will buy back that machine. And I tell you that very surprising pricing which we have got is of the product cost which was invested. After 3 years, we almost get 60% of it. So the useful life is there, we churn the useful life, and then we recondition this machine and give it to the other market areas where it is needed at a right cost. So that we are able to do it well. So friends, definitely Universal is going to give you end-to-end solution, right from choosing your machine, to maintaining your machine, to giving it after-sales service, and then finally buyback, and then financing it. We are here with you always. Thanks for giving us the opportunity to serve you well, and we will try to do the same thing in the future. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Ranjit Maurya, for your speech. Dear delegates, we have given you the feedback forms which are there in the envelope on the table. I request you all to please fill the form and fill in the form so that we can improve our services. Your suggestions are more valuable to us so that we will be improving our product qualities and the services. And kindly hand over the filled forms to the persons standing next to you. And now, I would like to call upon Mr. Taj from Acme Concrete Mixtures Private Limited for the vote of thanks. Mr. Taj.
Very good evening to everyone. It gives me a great pleasure in proposing vote of thanks on behalf of Acme and Universal for what has been a very colorful seminar on role of mechanization in construction industry. First and foremost, I would like to express a deep sense of gratitude to His Excellency, the Vice Chairman and Managing Director, Mr. Ranjit More, for having very graciously consented to participate in today's seminar and delivering the address on role of mechanization in construction industry despite of his busy schedule. I would also like to thank Vice President Mr. Sunil Bhamre, Mr. Rushikesh Kulkarni, Mr. Sunil Jukti, Mr. Santaji, Mr. Yogendra Ramde, and Mr. Sanjay Kumar of Universal Pune. I would like to extend my sincerest thanks and appreciation to the directors of Acme Concrete Mixers, Mr. M.A. Khan, Mr. A.Q. Inamdar, and Mr. George Matthew. My special thanks go out to all of our most valued invited guests on the occasion for having their taken time out to be with us today and making this evening memorable one. I would also like to thank the staff of Universal Construction Machinery and staff of Acme Concrete Mixers Private Limited. Finally, I would like to place on record my gratitude to the staff of Hotel Marigold and Naveen Creations, without whose help this function would not have been a very grand success. May I now request each one of you to join us for the